Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain whether you can unlock a Watu credit phone permanently and what you will need to know about it. So basically how you can unlock Watu credit phone forever. So Watu credit locks your phones to ensure that borrowers complete their payments. So if you fail to make the payment on time, the phone may be restricted or even locked completely. So the solution is clear. You will have to simply just make the payment and make the full payment and it will unlock automatically. Now if you have fully repaid your loan, Watu should automatically unlock the device, as I said earlier. So if your phone is still locked after the full payment, the best way to unlock it is by contacting Watu Credit's customer support team. For that, you need to first of all come on watuafrica.com, and over here you need to click on this contact us option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now after doing so, you will see various contact details as per your country. So you need to select your country and then you need to simply click on this phone number and you can directly contact them. You will have to provide them with proof of payments and they should guide you through the unlocking process. So attempting to bypass the lock using any other tools or softwares may violate Watu's terms, and it could also. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.